This video is about Bitcoin Cash, how to get it, or any other crypto for that matter, through Coinspot, one of the trusted exchanges here in Australia. I'm Bitcoin Jason, and I'm talking about Coinspot, one of Australia's leading crypto exchanges here. Now, I do not get sponsored or any commissions from this video. This is for educational purposes, not financial advice. But I have people in my community in the Bitcoin Cash city and the surrounding regions that ask me, Jason, how do I get Bitcoin Cash? And so I made this video as a simple tutorial after going through the process of signing up. I'm not going to show you how to sign up in this video, but I'm going to show you how easy it is to buy Bitcoin Cash. Now, if you look at my screen here, you see that I've actually got $10 worth of free BTC into my wallet as part of Refer a Friend. Now, you too can do this. I'll have the referral link in the description below, where when you sign up with that description, you can use the services, and because you've used my description, you can get $10 worth of Bitcoin Cash, Bitcoin Core, and then if you refer a friend, they will also get some Bitcoin Core, and you get some Bitcoin Core. Now, Bitcoin Core is the orange bee, but I'm going to be talking about Bitcoin Cash. Now, imagine that you could get Bitcoin when it was very, very cheap. Now, Bitcoin Cash is the same as BTCs, come from the same Genesis block, except when it split. Now, Bitcoin Core retarded its growth and it stayed small, right? Where Bitcoin Cash has increased block size bit by bit to allow the network growth. So it's not over big, but it's not over small. So it now enables fast, easy, cheap transactions. Now, I do believe there's going to be a time where BTC will start losing holders to Bitcoin Cash because it's Bitcoin, same fundamentals, except you can get more BCH, Bitcoin Cash, for your dollar than BTC, and it has a higher growth rate to go. So you imagine, like, Bitcoin Core is probably around about 60 or 70,000 Australian dollars. Bitcoin Cash, through the same fundamentals as BTC, can easily reach that target, especially when it has functions like cash tokens, NFTs, smart contracts, hedging against gold and oil in US dollar, and these sorts of uh, functions and applications built with it. So Bitcoin Core at the moment is just basically you buy. It's like a savings account. You buy, you keep it there, and you can't really do anything with it. Most cases is if you're going to use Bitcoin Core, you will need to go back to the bank, Visa, Mastercard. This I got Bitcoin Core on this, and you will see that it's just got Visa, Mastercard. So this is basically, I've got this, but I don't use it. But I do have BCH as well, and this is what I keep on my phone, and I do my grocery shopping and everything else with it. Okay, and send tips. My QR code is up there on the YouTube channel, so if you'd like to donate for the Jason Appreciation Fund, that'd be great. So back to the video. So I've got Coinspot here, and once you've signed in, there is different options you can go. You can go pay ID, which I love and what I do, direct deposit or card deposit. Now, I don't do card deposits. I don't want to pay bank card fee, but I go pay ID. The other way you can do that is up here, I believe. You can go into my account and you can put your bank details in there, deposit AUD, which I'm about to do now. So I'll just go to my thing here and I'll go. All right. Now, I've got a daily deposit limit of $100,000, but that's not important for you. All right. So here you've got your pay ID details, which is blurred for you because it's my personal details. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use my phone banking app, and I'm going to deposit AUD into Coinspot. Just make sure my pay ID is. Now I've already set this up. Now in the description for Coinspot, I recommend that you put your name of your account there to save any problems, right? So I'm going to put my name, Bitcoin Jason. Now I've just sent that, and it'll do its thing, right? I'll go confirm, right? It will leave my bank and it'll go into Coinspot. Okay, so what I'll do is I'll go back up, I'll refresh the page. It may take a while. While it's doing that, there's some important things I need to say. Now, the exchange is like a bank, right? The bank, whether you got your fiat currency in there or your crypto in there, it's in custody of the bank. So if you want to say account, well, your wallet address on here is you can call that account. But when I talk to people, I like to differentiate between an account and wallet. So an account is like a bank account, exchange account. It's on the exchange. If something happens to the exchange, or you do something wrong, or you get locked out, it's to the exchange. Right? The exchange shuts down, you lose your keys, like you can't access it. They've got it. Right? I recommend everyone to take out their crypto, their Bitcoin Cash, and store it in your wallet, which is on your phone or off the exchange. The reason is if something happens to the exchange, or you forget your password, or you decided that you want freedom instead of tyranny, and the government doesn't like you for some sort of reason or whatever, at least you've got custody of your crypto. It is on your wallet. So here's a physical example, right? So I have my Bitcoin Cash, right, in my wallet. So if you can just imagine that you've taken your cash off the exchange, right, and you put it into your wallet, which is either the phone app. I recommend Celine, Paytaka, Bitcoin.com wallet. They are safe. There's if you're in India, Zapit's another good one. Okay. Electron Wallet, that's probably for the more advanced users, but I'll put the links in below. So anyway, I'll just refresh this and see how we go. All right, so here you can see I've got $100 in there that I've transferred over. Now, there's a couple of ways of buying Bitcoin Cash. You can either do an advance order, and you can sort of say when Bitcoin Cash gets to a certain level, to this point, then I can buy it. So you can set up an advance order. I have a video for that already, but today I'm going to show you how to buy at spot price plus the 1% fee that Coinspot charges to buy your Bitcoin Cash. So you just go down here to buy Bitcoin Cash. Now you might have to search it up. In this case, it'll be. I'll go back here to say. So what you can do, you can go to buy sell, right? And I'll go Bitcoin Cash, right? And we can see it's got a 1%, 1.07% discount. Here we go. So I've just got buy all. You can put or how much you want in Australian dollars, right? Go buy. And there you go. There's like just under $1 transaction fee because it's $100, $1 transaction fee. $200 would probably be $2. You know what I'm saying? So there it is. Confirm. Go to Bitcoin Cash wallet, and there you've got. There you go. It's in your wallet. Okay. All right. Next video, I will show you how to withdraw from your exchange into your wallet. It's very important that you do not keep your crypto on the exchange, but you withdraw it out. Okay, I'm Bitcoin Jason. There is a donation link if you like to leave a donation. Maybe experiment with it once you get familiar with using your Bitcoin Cash. But there it is. Any questions? Leave it in the comments below. If you'd like me to make a lesson about something, just let me know in the questions, and I'll see if I can get to it and post it up here. I'm Bitcoin Jason. Remember, you are, I am, we're all Satoshi. Let's do our part. Take care.